You can think of the law of attraction as your own personal magical mirror. Imagine yourself in a house of mirrors, and no matter what you do or where you look, the mirrors reflect that back at you. Sounds easy, right? In other words, if you smile, the mirror smiles back at you. If you are angry, it gives that image right back to you as well. Now, understand that your thoughts, feelings, and actions are really in a house of mirrors at all times. In other words, whatever you think, the law of attraction mirrors that same energy back to you. So if you're angry at someone and you wish them harm, guess what? You just ordered the universe to have someone get mad at you and wish you harm. We are the most powerful beings in the universe. The strongest aspect of our power is our ability to manifest with our thoughts, words, and actions, as long as we believe in that reality. Whatever we choose, whatever we desire, we get. Everything. When we think good thoughts, the mirror or law of attraction will give us good things back. When we think bad thoughts, we're going to get those back as well. So if you want to start using this real magical power, then start using your magic mirror. Here's what you need to do. Number 1, just close your eyes and concentrate on breathing for about a minute. Step number 2, start thinking of the most happy success in your life for at least a minute. Get excited and really feel that joy, because it's this emotion that will add the fuel to your desires and will actually activate your mirror or your law of attraction. After you are feeling extreme excitement and joy, then number 3, visualize in your mind the successful outcome of your new desire. For example, if you want a new car, visualize yourself driving around in that car in as much detail as you can possibly imagine. You should imagine every detail, including everything you want in the car, even your favorite color. Number 4, visualize you using the car for several minutes and then tell yourself, I allow myself to have this, and then fill in the blank. Remember that your magic mirror is always working, so guard your thoughts appropriately. If your mind starts thinking negative things, then simply say to yourself or out loud, stop. I do not agree with that thought. I only accept positive thoughts that are in line with my divine goals. You must thoroughly understand that using the power of the law of attraction is not something you can turn on and off. It is always working and grants every wish, whether you want it to or not. You are totally responsible for everything in your reality. So use your power wisely and for your own best benefit. Now be sure to listen to our other videos for detailed instructions on exactly how to use the law of attraction. See why Oprah, Will Smith, Jim Carrey, and millions of other people credit the law of attraction to their successes. Please like this video and subscribe to this channel to learn the details of the law of attraction. Also, visit our free membership website at remindme-positive-affirmations.com, where you can use free affirmation and hypnosis recordings. Thank you for listening. We'll see you next time.
Thank you for watching. Please press like and subscribe below.